Hello, Dr. Smith. My name is Annie Bader, and I'm in your online technical communications class, ENC 2210. This is my oral presentation for my final recommendation report. The requirements for this report involved reading 2 examples provided by you and analyzing them based on the criteria set forth by Mike Markell in the 9th edition of his book, Technical Communication. I will begin with example 1 by defining the major criteria I compared it to. Then, I will briefly describe how the document either failed to meet or met the criteria. Following that, I will complete the same analysis of example 2. To end this report, I will offer my conclusion and my recommendations for each document. To begin, example 1 is a single-page document, either from a report or a slideshow, about recent sales trends within a company. It contains text and a large graphic. The 3 major sets of criteria I critique this document against are measures of excellence in technical writing, characteristics of an effective graphic, and proper integration of text and graphics. Overall, this document failed to meet any of the criteria Markell defines. The text is full of spelling and grammatical errors. The graphic, which is a bar chart, is incorrect for the type of data being presented and is an ineffective bar graph. Of the 8 measures of excellence in technical writing that Markell identifies, this document fails at 5 of them. As for characteristics of effective graphics, Markell defines 5 main criteria. Example 1 fails to meet any of them. Also in this chapter of the book are guidelines about how to use color effectively and choosing the right type of graphic for your data. This document fails to meet all 7 of the criteria that Markell specifies. Finally, regarding proper integration of text and graphics, 4 out of 5 criteria were missed. As you can see from this breakdown, example 1 largely fails at effective technical communication. In my report, I offered many solutions to the problems noted in the document. Moving on to example 2. Example 2 is almost a perfect example of correct technical communication. It's a good news adjustment letter from a company called Xenozoic Sales. It contains text and a company logo. The 3 major sets of criteria I used to analyze this document are measures of excellence in technical writing, characteristics of effective business correspondence, and characteristics of an effective good news adjustment letter. There's 1 spelling error in the document, but other than that, every one of Markell's criteria is met. I offer a specific analysis of how this document compares in my report. I came to 2 major conclusions and recommendations from my research. First, example 1 largely fails at communicating effectively. I recommend it be used as an example of ineffective technical communication. The document has numerous flaws in both text and its graphics, so it will provide a great learning experience of what not to do when attempting technical communication. Second and finally, I determined that example 2 is a nearly flawless document. I fully recommend that it be used as an example of effective technical communication once the spelling error is corrected. It is well written and designed. This is the end of my oral report, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through my Angel email. Thank you for your time, and I hope this report was helpful to you.